प्रणाम आप सभी। कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? आशा करता हूँ आप सभी सकुशल होंगे, सब कुछ अच्छा होगा आपके जीवन में, आप और आपका परिवार सुखमय होगा, सुरक्षित होगा और आप योगमय जीवन और इस योग धारा से जुड़े हुए हैं और आपसे जुड़े हुए व्यक्ति सभी लोग को मेरा नमन, मेरा प्रणाम और आप सभी का आशीर्वाद मुझ पर बना रहे। मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि प्लीज़ 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 हाथ जोड़कर विनम्र निवेदन है आप सभी से कि इस वीडियो को देखें मत, आप मुझे ज्वाइन करें, अपनी प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करें। तो चलिए, इन द सुखासना ओनली, टेक योर राइट हैंड ऑन द राइट साइड, डीप ब्रीथ इन एंड रेज योर लेफ्ट hand up, straight completely. And while exhaling very slowly, bend the right side, go down more and more. Then inhale, come in the center, and exhale while exhaling, go to the left side. Inhale, move in the center, and exhale again, go to the right side. Inhale, move in center, and exhale, go to the left side. Again and again repeat this chain on the counting 1, with breathing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, complete. And now the next one is the Kundalini movement. So prepare for the Kundalini movement. Place your palms on your knee, keeping your spine straight. Look front, take deep breath in while exhaling, lean forward like this. And start moving clockwise. Inhale upward and exhale downward. Again and again repeat this chain. With the breathing, inhale, move upward, while exhaling, move down. Again and again start on a counting 1, 2, wait for a second. Keep continue the practice. And now start anti-clockwise, the same thing anti-clockwise. Go down and start. Inhale upward and exhale downward. Make sure your spine is totally straight and you are doing in the right way. So keep continue. One more round. Okay, now the next one is the twisting. So place your right palm behind your sit bone, closer to your sit bone, and the left palm on your right knee. Inhale, while exhaling, bend backward, twist more and more backside and look back. Inhale, moving center, go to the left side in same way. Inhale, move in center, and exhale, go to the right side. Again and again repeat this chain on the counting with breathing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, complete. Now the next one is sitting Urdhva Tadasana. For the sitting Urdhva Tadasana, deep breathe in, breathe out completely. Now inhale very slowly. While inhaling, lift up your hands upward. On your shoulder level, exhale, then palm facing upward like this. Palm facing upward. Then again inhale, lift up your hands and join your palms in Namaskara Mudra. Interlace your fingers, palm facing upward. Inhale, chin up, look at your palm, hold your breath, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, look front, while exhaling very slowly, hands down, release and relax. One more time, inhale, exhale, palm facing upward. Inhale, join your palms in Namaskara Mudra. Interlace your finger, stretch your palms upward. Inhale, look up, hold your breath, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, look front, while exhaling, very slowly hands down, release and relax. So this is the sitting Urdhva Tadasana. Now the next one is only sitting mountain pose. So for the sitting mountain pose, you need to sit in Padmasana or Sukhasana or in Vajrasana. And now very slowly and gently breathe in and very slowly lift up your hands up. You can close your eyes, palm facing upwards. Join your palms in Namaskara Mudra. Join your palms. You can slightly bend your elbow like this. If you can comfortable, then keep your hand straight like this. And gently close your eyes, keeping a smile on it. And enjoy more and more this sitting mountain pose. Focus on your breath only. Make sure your spine is straight, your whole body alignment in a straight line. Gently open your eyes, very slowly while exhaling, hands down. Inhale, palm facing downward, then exhale, very slowly, hands down. Release and relax. Now rub your palms, create little heat, start clapping. Start clapping more and more, wider, louder. And now catch you all the problems, all your stress, all your tension, all your bad things. Just hold tightly, take a deep breath in, deep breathe in. And while breathe out, throw out all the tension, all the pain, all the bad things miles away from you. And be positive, be happy. And now we are ready to start Sun Salutation. Okay? So start Sun Salutation. Come to the front of your mat and be ready for the Sun Salutation, traditional Sun Salutation. So come to the front of your mat and stand like this in a Samasthiti pose. This is the Samasthiti pose. Your feet should be together, but don't touch your feet. And palms beside your thigh, palm facing downward, and whole body alignment in a line, keeping a smile. This is the Samasthiti. That is Samasthiti. Take Namaskara Mudra. Take Namaskara Mudra. Gently close your eyes, deep breathe in and start one Omkara Pradodhvani. Gently open your eyes, place your palms on your thighs. Deep breathe in, breathe out completely. Now inhale very slowly, and while inhaling, lift up your hands up, little arch back, come in Hastottanasana. While exhaling, lean forward, keeping your spine straight, and try to touch your toes only, and look up, look in front. This is the Padhastasana. Now bend your knee, place your palms beside your feet, like this. Then inhale, while inhaling, bring your right foot back, come in Asya Sanchalanasana. In Asya Sanchalanasana, push your hip down like this and look up, chin up, look up. Exhale, while exhaling, bring your left foot back, come in the plank pose in Dandasana. This is the Dandasana. From the Dandasana, inhale and exhale. Guys, remember, with the breathing you have to do Sun Salutation. From the plank pose, you have to come in Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Then drop your knee down, chest down, chin down. Come to the Ashtanga Namaskarasana like this. Inhale, release your toes outside and slightly move forward. lift up your sternum up, chin up, come in a cobra pose. Push your lower back down more and more and bend backward more and more, hold like this. Tuck your toe in while exhale, lift up your hip up more and more, push your shoulder down, take one step forward and try to touch your heels on the mat like this and come in a mountain pose and hold in mountain pose. Keep breathing, keep 5 breathe, take 5 breathe in the mountain pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From mountain pose, inhale, bring your right foot front between your palms, come to the Ashtha Sanchalanasana. Push your hip down, chin up in Ashtha Sanchalanasana. Then exhale, left leg front between your palms like this. Come in Padahastasana. This time, grab your feet or grab your calf muscle like this. Grab tightly and now inhale and exhale while exhaling, go more and more down like this. Again inhale and exhale, go more and more down. Again inhale and exhale, go more and more down. Inhale and exhale, go more and more down. While exhaling, go more and more down and try to touch your forehead to your knee like this. Now inhale, hands up, little arch back, come in Hastottanasana. And exhale, join your palms in Namaskara Mudra. Now the next round, inhale, hands up, little arch back, come in Hastottanasana. And exhale, lean forward, try to touch your toe, go more and more down like this. Again inhale, this time bring your left foot back, come in Ashtha Sanchalanasana, hip down more and more, chin up, look up like this. Then exhale, come in Dandasana. In Dandasana, keep, breathe and hold in Dandasana. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and exhale, drop your knee down, chest down, chin down, come in Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Like this. Release your toe outside, inhale, slightly move forward, come in a cobra pose. Raise your sternum up, chin up. Push your lower back down more and more and chin up. Come in a cobra pose. Tuck your toe in while exhaling, push your shoulder down and hip up more and more. Come in mountain pose, take one step forward and try to touch your heels on the mat and make alignment. Keep breathing, hold in the mountain pose and enjoy the mountain pose for the next 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, bring your left foot front, come in Ashtha Sanchalanasana. Push your hip down more and more. Just push your hip down more and more. Come in Ashtha Sanchalanasana and hold. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3. Now bring your right foot front, come in Padahastasana. In Padahastasana, inhale and exhale. While exhaling, go more and more down and try to touch your forehead to your knee. Like this. Now inhale, hands up, little arch back. Come in Hastottanasana. And exhale, take Namaskara Mudra, come to the front of your mat. So, this is a traditional sun salutation. And now start some yogic practice, some asanas practice. I hope you all are doing and you all are enjoying my session. Hopefully, I believe you and I know you can do and you are doing. So, if you are watching only, I am requesting you, get your mat and at your peaceful place, join me and start your yogic practice. So, now start some standing pose. First, tree pose. For the tree pose, in the middle of your mat, stand like this and just bend your right leg and place your feet to your left inner thigh like this, and just hold your toes tightly on the mat and keep balance. You can take Namaskar Mudra above your head. You can take Namaskar Mudra in front of your chest. And just hold the tree pose. Keep breathing, focus on a point, and balance yourself on one feet, only one leg. Okay, now exhale. Just change your leg. Inhale, hands up, join your palms in Namaskar Mudra. Otherwise, take Namaskar Mudra in front of your chest. So you need to hold for next 10 seconds. And now release. Hold for 10 seconds, then release. Okay, now the next one is the Tadasana. So for the Tadasana, stand in Samasthiti pose. This is the Samasthiti pose. Inhale, while inhaling, very slowly raise your hands up. On your shoulder level, exhale, then inhale, palm facing up, and lift up your hands up more and more. Stretch your armpit and join your palms. Interlace your finger, palm facing upwards, like this. Palm facing upwards like this, in a standing pose only. Now, exhale completely. While inhaling, lift up your heels up. Heels up, make balance, and hold. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, palms on your head, heels down. Again, inhale, lift up your heel up, palms up, stretch your armpit more and more. Your hands would be like this part of the tricep and bicep closer to your ear, like this. And palm facing upward, like this. Listen. Watch. Your hand positions should be like this, and the Tadasana. And heels up. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath. Hold this pose only. Exhale, palms on your head, heels down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale down. Release, relax. Take deep breath in, breathe out. One more breathe in, breathe out completely. Now start some prone pose. So for the prone pose, you have to lie down on your abdomen. So on your mat, lie down on your abdomen and be ready for the prone poses. Like first one is the Bhujangasana, second one is the Dhanurasana. So only 2 asana will take in the prone pose. First, Bhujangasana, that we call in English cobra pose, and second one the bow pose, like Dhanurasana. So be ready, lie down on your mat, on your abdomen, पेट के बल लेट जाइए. Release your toe outside. Place your palms beside your chest. Inhale, slightly move forward and listen. No need to raise up completely like this. Just slightly bend your elbow like this and your navel should be on the ground. So be prepared for the Bhujangasana. Lie down. Palms beside your chest. Inhale. Raise your sternum up. Slightly bend your elbow and hold here only. Chin up. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale down. Again, inhale. Come into the Bhujangasana and hold. 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale down. So next one is the bow pose, the Dhanurasana. For the Dhanurasana, bend your knee and grab your feet like this. Grab your feet. Inhale, raise your sternum up, thighs up, whole body up. Make balance on your lower back, on your listen. Just you need to make balance on your abdomen region, and your whole body should be up and hold for the next 5 to 10 seconds in Dhanurasana. So come to the pose and hold for the next 10 seconds in Dhanurasana. Come to the pose. Yeah, like this. 1, 2, 3. Keep breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale down, release. Now next one is some supine pose. So lie down on your back, turn right side and lie down on your back. Be ready for some supine pose. Bend your knee. Keep your feet hip distance apart. Maintain the gap between your knee hip distance apart. And hold your ankle joints and inhale. While inhaling, lift up your abdomen region up like this and hold. You can take your hands under your hip and just take a support, give support and very comfortably hold this Setu Bandhasana, half bridge pose. Keep breathing, look up and hold this asana, keeping breathe. Don't hold your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, hip down, release and relax. So you need to go next 3 times in the same flow. Again, inhale, lift up your abdomen region up more and more and take support on your hip joints. Hold. 5, keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, only you can lift up your right leg up and hold. And taking your left leg straight, like this. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Hold. In this pose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just lie down on your back. Relax completely. Now the next one is the Pawan Mukta Asana. Bend your knee. Bend your knee and grab your knee tightly and push your thigh towards your chest like this. Inhale, lift up your head and try to touch your nose to the knee and give the opposite pressure on your thigh. With your palms, press down and with your thigh, press your knee upward like this. And hold your breath. Inhale and hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, take your leg straight and lie down on the mat only in Savasana. Relax for few breath. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn right side and get back in Padmasana. Be ready for the pranayama session. Sit in Padmasana. Listen, be like मुझे जूम ऐप आईडी पर जो है एक सेशन लेना है, तो मैं थोड़ा लेट हो रहा हूँ, इसलिए थोड़ा प्रयास करूँगा कि सेशन को थोड़ा जल्दी करूँ। तो क्षमा चाहूँगा आपसे कि मैं जिस वे में सेशन लेना चाहता था, जिस तरीके से मैं पूरा सेशन लेना चाहता था, समय के ना होते, समय बहुत कम है, इसके चलते मुझे जल्दी खींचना पड़ रहा है, इसके लिए मैं बहुत जो है गिल्ट फील कर रहा हूँ, सॉरी। सो नाउ स्टार्ट प्राणायाम सेशन। सो taking chin mudra on your knee, sit in Padmasana. Gently close your eyes, deep breathe in and start one Omkara Pradadhvani and mentally prepare yourself for the pranayam session. Be relaxed, be in peace, and now we are ready for the pranayam session. Take deep breath in, breathe out completely. This time inhale, push your abdomen out. While inhaling, push your abdomen out, and now exhale while exhaling, abdomen in. Again and again, inhale, push your abdomen out, exhale while exhaling, abdomen in. Inhale, push your abdomen out while exhaling, abdomen in. This kriya called Kapalabhati kriya. So you need to do every day in your life, in the morning and in the evening with your empty like आपका जब पेट खाली हो, जब आप कुछ खाए ना हो, आप पूरी तरीके से लाइट फील कर रहे हो, तो उस टाइम पर आप कपालभाति प्राणायाम का अभ्यास प्रतिदिन कर सकते हैं। 10 से 15 मिनट तक कपालभाति प्राणायाम का अभ्यास प्रतिदिन करना चाहिए। और जो लोग 10 से 15 मिनट प्रतिदिन कपालभाति प्राणायाम का अभ्यास करते हैं, उनको किसी प्रकार की बीमारी उनको टच भी नहीं कर सकती, या मैं गारंटी के साथ कह सकता हूँ। अगला प्राणायाम है अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम, और अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम का अल्टीमेट बेनिफिट है। अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम और कपालभाति प्राणायाम, भ्रामरी उद्गीत प्राणायाम, केवल इन्हीं प्राणायाम का प्रैक्टिस आप करें और नोट करके लिख लीजिए। यदि आपको जीवन में कभी भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो जाए, कभी भी कोई बीमारी हो जाए, तो मैं अपनी स्टेटमेंट वापस ले लूँगा, मैं योग करना छोड़ दूंगा। यदि आपको ऐसा कुछ हो गया तो मैं गारंटी के साथ मैं ऑन स्टैम्प पेपर लिख के दे सकता हूं। यदि आपने कपालभाति, अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम, उद्गीत और भ्रामरी प्राणायाम अपने जीवन में अपना लिया, प्रतिदिन 5-5 मिनट आप कीजिए सभी प्राणायाम को, और यदि आपको कोई बीमारी छू ले तो मैं अपनी फील्ड छोड़ दूंगा। चलें प्रारंभ करें अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम। For the Anulom Vilom Pranayama, hold your right nostril with your right thumb only and gently close your eyes. Inhale through the left nostril, hold your breath 2 to 3 seconds and hold the left nostril and very slowly exhale through the right nostril. Hold your breath 2 to 3 seconds. Inhale through the right nostril and exhale very slowly through the left. Again inhale through the left nostril. Hold your breath for 4 seconds and very slowly exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through right, exhale through left, inhale through left, exhale through right, inhale right and exhale left. तो अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम का अभ्यास लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिकल से स्टार्ट करते हैं और लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिकल से ही इसका जो है पूर्णता की ओर ले जाते हैं। तो अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम, कपालभाति प्राणायाम, यदि आपने अपने जीवन में इसको उतार लिया, प्रतिदिन यदि आपने अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम, कपालभाति प्राणायाम कर लिया, तो आपको कोई भी बीमारी छू नहीं सकती। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं आप सभी से विदा लेता हूँ। प्रारंभ करेंगे शांति पाठ। समय बहुत कम है, मैं पूरा सेशन लेना चाहता था, पूरे 1-1.5 घंटे का, पर क्षमा चाहूँगा आप सभी से, मुझे जाना पड़ रहा है। चलिए प्रारंभ करें शांति पाठ। टेक नमस्कार मुद्रा इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर चेस्ट, कीप क्लोज योर आइज, डीप ब्रीथ इन, स्टार्ट 3 ओमकारा प्रणोध्वनि। Deep breathe in. Breathe in. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम प्रणाम। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ हो, मंगल हो, आप अपने जीवन में उन्नति की ओर जाएं, आपका जीवन सुखमय हो, आपका जीवन आनंदमय हो। इन्हीं आशीर्वाद के साथ, इन्हीं शुभकामनाओं के साथ मैं आपसे विदा लेता हूँ। बहुत बहुत आभार, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।